Step into the digital future where opportunities await at every click. Introducing AI-powered digital advertising. Google Ads, Meta Ads, and GA4 meticulously crafted for beginners by Tomas Moravek, an award-winning digital marketing expert with over 1 million students worldwide. This course is your gateway to mastering the essentials of digital advertising with the power of AI. From Google Ads to Meta Ads and beyond. Unlock the potential of the world's most powerful advertising platforms. Discover how AI can simplify ad creation, targeting, and optimization. With Thomas's guidance, you'll learn to navigate these complex tools with ease, making digital advertising accessible and straightforward. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to understand the digital ad space better, this course will equip you with the knowledge to craft effective strategies, manage budgets smartly, and drive impactful results. Each module is designed with the beginner in mind, breaking down the complex concepts to easy-understand lessons that fit perfectly into your daily routine. Enjoy flexible learning paths and practical projects that bring the digital advertising world to life. With Thomas's expert insights, you'll not just learn, you'll apply what you learn in real-world scenarios. Ready to kickstart your journey in digital advertising? Join AI-powered digital advertising today and transform your curiosity into expertise. Tomas Moravek is ready to guide you from novice to knowledgeable. Don't wait. The future in advertising is just a click away.